Hey guys, this is Danielle from Shop Daily, and I am here to show you my 2-minute hair tutorial for my ponytail. It's really easy. I always do it on dirty hair. This is last night's curls, so I didn't do anything this morning. I literally just woke up, kind of brushed it, and I'm going to show you step by step the products I use with links to each one so that you can get the same products and get the same ponytail. Okay, so the first step is this swept up powder, which is amazing. I use it all the time, but I kind of just shake it up and just spray it at my roots. It gives it a lot of texture. The key to this ponytail is to get the volume up here. Okay, so if I need more volume that morning, I'll kind of brush my hair up and put this in. So let me just show you guys a quick how this works. So this just gives you an extra volume. If I'm getting ready that morning and I want to put my makeup on, I'll put these in really quick just while I'm getting my makeup done, so it gives me that extra volume. Alright, if your hair isn't as dirty, say you just want to wear a ponytail that day or just want to try it, spray in some extra shampoo, dry shampoo. I love this stuff. My hair's going to be so gross after this. I have a lot of dry texture spray in here. Orbe is my favorite. Really good texturizing spray. Just gives it that bounce and the messiness that you love, which makes a great ponytail. If you have too much of all of that product in your hair, because your hair is really dirty, I love this. This is my saving grace. I use this after the gym. It's amazing. It's a soft conditioner, so it's kind of like a dry shampoo, but actually takes a lot of the texture out of your hair if you have too much product in it, which is amazing. But so good. Now we get to the easy part. Here comes the ponytail. Okay. So, this is the easy part. I don't really use a brush. There's not really an easy, you just use your fingers and you just play with it. There's no right or wrong here. So I kind of just swoop up all of my hair. And I like a high pony, which is the best part, I think. So just kind of tousle all of this a little bit. And then the easiest, the best, the most key thing is that you want to pull apart all of your pieces so it's not tight. But because of all of those spray things we used and the teasing and just the volume, you're going to get this kind of like messiness. But I literally just pull it up. And the key here, what I've learned, is to pull your pony from the bottom. Just kind of pull and tug and tighten it from the bottom. Don't tighten it from the top because it's going to tighten up here, and then I kind of just pull it out again and make it messy. Got a little lump here. There's that one. But the key is just to play with it. And that's literally how easy it is. Just kind of play, spray. If it doesn't have enough texture, just kind of spray this a little bit. Then at the end, I use hairspray just for the finish, just a little bit. This is a really good, soft finish hairspray. It's only like a medium hold. But you got it. So easy.